Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Nintendo Switch Lite. So I just got this today. I picked it up in one of my local Targets around me. I actually wanted the coral pink color, but it's sold out everywhere and I missed the deadline on pre-orders and purchasing it in the stores. So I decided to just get the yellow one. Actually, before the coral pink color came out, this is the color I always wanted. I wanted to get a Switch for a while now, but there wasn't really a game that I wanted to play so bad on the Switch. The last Nintendo I have is this very old DS. It's I think the first generation of DS. Let me pull it out. Here it is. So I got this around, I would say 2006 or 7, something like that, around middle school, and as you can see, it's still working. I love that sound. So it still works. It's in very good condition. As you can see, I have Mario Kart DS. I also have the Super Mario thing here. It's in pretty good condition. I still have my pen for it. I'm surprised I didn't lose it. I've been obsessed with the Nintendo DS as a kid, and now obviously growing up, I wasn't into like console games as much. I do have an Xbox. We did have a PS4, but I think my dad gave it away or something, or traded in for something else. So I have that, and now I have the Animal Crossing game. So I also picked this up at my local Target. I actually went to 2 Targets. This was from a different Target and this was from a different one too, because the other one didn't have it in stock. And yeah, so yeah, but anyway, it was a lot of work, but good thing I was running errands anyway in Target to get some groceries and paper towels and all that good stuff. So anyway, you guys, let's start unboxing this Switch. So, like I said, I did want the pink one. I literally was up until 3 and 12 a.m. because I wasn't sure the times for it, in the Target times, because I was told by customer service that they would actually have it in stock on Friday, but that never happened, or maybe they were just misinformed. But anyway, you guys, look at this. Ooh, I love it. It's so nice to hold, and it's very small. My boyfriend has the regular Nintendo Switch, and it's pretty big. I mean, obviously I wouldn't complain because I do like bigger phones, but this feels very comfortable to hold, and I don't think the screen size is that much of a big difference. I know it's just slight, a couple of inches bigger. So yeah, so let's see what we have in the box. So we have the adapter for it, so it's USB-C. I like when a lot of phones and tablets switch to USB-C, which is awesome. Whoops, wrong way. So yeah, this is just a charger for it, and I think that's all it comes with. And then we have this thing, not really a manual, so that's that. So let's start this. So let me just set this up real quick. Ooh. That's awesome. I like this. It feels really nice to hold. So yes, pick English, the Americas. I guess we just kind of view it. Oh, I forgot to mention this is also touchscreen. That's why I also like it. So for the price range, the fact that it's $200 is great. I know you can't dock it, and there's no motion or vibration movements when you play certain games, but I think that's fine. Like I said, I was trying to factor out which one I like, because I actually wanted the Nintendo Switch Animal Crossing version, but that they didn't have it anymore, and I also basically ran out of time to purchase it and pre-order it and all that stuff. I wasn't keeping up with it, but yeah. So let me just set this up. Okay, so it connected. I don't know what happened, but I think my thing is pretty faulty. So obviously my time zone is New York Eastern time. Awesome. I actually never created an account, so gotta make one. Okay, you guys, so we have it set up. So I just designed my my I guess avatar, my character. I picked the the me character, and I designed me, and I think it looks pretty accurate. Pink transparent glasses, short hair, purple shirt, so that's pretty accurate. So yeah, I don't know what else to do. Let's see. So now I actually have to update the Switch. Let's update this. Okay. So see you guys in, I guess, in a couple minutes. Hold on. Okay, so while that updates, let's unbox this thing. I know that like people would just like, you could just download the game in the store, but I wanted like a physical copy for my first Switch game. I'm sure like maybe later on I'm probably gonna want to download instead of buy the game, just so it's easier. So look at this. Here it is, and it's so small. So cute. It's so cute, as you could see. It's so tiny. I don't know if you guys never seen a Switch game before, so this is for all of you guys. Oh my god, I kind of just want to compare it to my DS game. Look how smaller it is compared to my DS game. So cute. Super cute. So anyway, you guys, let's see if it updated. I don't know if it's supposed to turn on. But anyway, let me just insert the game. Oh, it turned on. Okay. Yay! It showed up. Awesome. So, let's see. Ah, another download. Okay, another update. I think it's for the game, so let's just like let this download. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing like any gameplays on like the Animal Crossing game. I'm not sure. I don't even know how to do that yet, but I'm gonna figure it out and see what I think. But anyway, I really love the Switch Lite so far. Like, I'm definitely gonna buy accessories for it. I wanted to get like this the Animal Crossing cover, TPU cover for this. It's really cute, but I think it's sold out everywhere too, so I don't know. But I also I'm gonna buy like a screen protector, a glass screen protector specifically, and I'm gonna purchase definitely like a carrying bag for this, and like maybe a case if I don't find like the Animal Crossing case for it. So what we have here is the USB-C connector over here, and then we have the SD card storage insert, so you could insert like more storage in there. And then on top we just have the power button and the volume, and also we have like a headphone jack, and this is where you insert the game card. So it's really nice to hold. Like, it's very small, but like it also feels very compact. I'm loving it right now. Can't wait to start using it, and I can't wait to start playing Animal Crossing. So yeah, guys. Anyway, since it's downloading, let me know. Oh, it finished. Cool. So I'm probably gonna purchase like a that monthly user thing. I'm not sure what that's called. Oh my god, I haven't played video games like that in so long. The only thing I play is Sims 4. I love PC games. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, put a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and tune in for my next video. Bye guys.